To bake cheesecake is one thing, but to bake my passion fruit cheesecake with a buttery graham cracker crust, a luscious cream cheese filling, and of course the star ingredient, passion fruit. So indulge in this delicious flavor, and although it looks complicated to make, it's actually really easy to make. There is a lot of ingredients that you would need, but hey, most cheesecake needs a lot of ingredients to make. And if you can't find seedless passion fruit pulp at your local grocery store, check out Asian markets. And actually, Amazon has a bunch of groceries that you can get now. And sometimes specialty foods like Whole Foods have them as well. So go ahead and give us a try. Let me know how it tastes for you guys. And keep in mind, I think passion fruit is an acquired taste. So if you don't or haven't really tried passion fruit, you might want to try a different recipe. But this is for all the people who enjoy and love passion fruit and want to make it in cheesecake. Thanks for watching.